So Samsung has just sent a powerful signal to the global tech market by projecting a threefold jump in fourth quarter operating profit, reaching a record 20 trillion won, a massive leap from just over 6 trillion won a year ago, and well beyond market expectations, driven overwhelmingly by one unstoppable force: artificial intelligence. As AI models expand and data centers scale at unprecedented speed, demand for memory chips used in servers, PCs, and smartphones has exploded, pushing prices sharply higher as supply struggles to keep up. Investors have taken notice, sending Samsung shares to a record high and extending a stunning 155% rally over the past year. Across the industry, even major players like SK Hynix and Micron are racing to expand fabrication capacity, yet demand continues to outpace production. As NVIDIA CEO Jensen Huang describes it, the world has entered the era of AI factories, and the demand for chips right now is, in his words, terrific. The numbers support that claim, with the global DRAM memory market expected to more than double to $311 billion by 2026, nearly 6 times its size just a few years ago, as these essential chips quietly power everything from cloud computing to smartphones and AI systems. According to TrendForce, DRAM contract prices surged more than 300% year-on-year in the fourth quarter alone, and are expected to rise another 55 to 60% in the current quarter. Samsung is riding that wave, forecasting record revenue of 93 trillion won, with its semiconductor division generating the majority of profits and helping offset slower growth in its mobile business, which is facing rising component costs. Still, higher memory prices could eventually pressure margins across smartphones, PCs, and data centers, and Samsung executives admit some impact is inevitable, even leaving the door open to product price increases. Looking ahead, analysts expect memory shortages to persist well into 2026, as global data center investment continues to surge, while Samsung's advanced high-bandwidth memory business, crucial for AI accelerators and custom chips, is positioned for a major breakout next year, with customers already praising the competitiveness of its next-generation technology, sending a clear message to the market: Samsung is back.